Marcus.
Hi, Marcus. Can you say rhinoceros?
Rhinoceros.
Can you say hippopotamus?
Hippopotamus.
Can you say helicopter?
Helicopter.
Can you say octopus?
Octopus.
Can you say walrus?
Walrus.
Can you say airplane?
Airplane.
Can you say helicopter?
Helicopter.
Wow, you're doing so well. Can you say polka dot?
Dot.
Can you say Amy girl?
Amy girl. Amy girl.
Yeah.
Amy girl. Amy girl.
Can you say, let's see, what else is there? I can't think of anything. Can you talk to Marcus?
I'm Marcus. Clock. Clock.
Clock?
Michael.
Someone's been sitting in my chair. What do the three little pigs say? Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. Well, time to draw. Say see you later.
See you.
See you later.
See you.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Cute blow kiss. There you go. Very nice.